I know you enjoy the game Spider Hack a lot. And, well, unfortunately, some of our favorite gamers haven't been playing it. But one gamer, specifically one of my favorite gamers, Wildcat, has been playing it. And he played it with Basically I Do Work and 407. So, yeah, Tyler, Marcel, and Scotty are going to be jumping around as creepy little spiderly, spindly boys, and they're going to be trying to blow each other up with rockets and kill each other with lightsabers. Sounds like a fun time to me.
Heck yeah. Sounds
like a hell of a blast. And according to the title of this, 14 minutes and 39 seconds of laughing, screaming, wheezing, and shitting. Yeah. You know, I love the fact that, you know, freshly shid, you know, like SHID, freshly shid is now like a item condition thing now. It's just like, what condition is it in? Freshly shid. Like, all right, man, sounds good. I'll be right over to pick it up.
I have no idea what that's supposed to mean.
Freshly shit, as in like somebody shit themselves.
I got it, but like, is that somehow a good thing?
It's meant to be a good thing, ironically. It's just like, because it's like saying, is it, how good is it, man? Dude, it's so good, it's bad. You know? Like, it's bad. Like, you know, bad to the bone. Whereas freshly shit is basically
I love
like
the power glove. It's so bad.
Exactly. That if it's so bad, why do you love it? No, I mean it's bad as in like good bad.
Except for it's not.
It's actually awful. It's god awful. I know.
Yeah.
But
just watch the angry video game nerd for a minute, playing with the power glove, and you'll never want to touch that thing.
No, I mean it's a cornerstone of gaming to like have, but that's it, just to have it, not use it.
Pretty much gave him a stroke, so I didn't have to experience it.
It's almost like the nostalgia crazy thing. It's like, hello, I'm the angry video game nerd. I play shitty games so you don't have to. Instead, it's like, I use shitty peripherals so you don't have to. You don't want to freaking diarrhea, buffalo diarrhea shit in your fucking eyes. That's my best angry video game nerd impression. I didn't want to go loud because, you know, it's not worth it right now. But we have 14 minutes, 39 seconds of Tyler and the boys having some fun here, a.k.a. Wildcat and the Pussy Party. So let's get into it. Here we go.
Yeah, that was sick!
He did it!
I thought I was just like that one, but I guess not. That was sick. Oh, what's that? Alright, I'm dead already. Am I the only one left? Yep, left click. Oh. Oh, fuck.
Oof.
What the fuck is that? Oh, that was sick!
Got him. Oh!
I'm gonna kill myself with it.
Alright, the music's gotta go on, bro. The music's gotta go on.
Ah, he killed himself again!
Fucking nice, bro. Good job, Marcel.
I was trying to grab that gun the whole time.
I feel like this game's too complicated for us.
No, it ain't.
It's really very simple.
You fucking caught it.
It's just pure chaos.
Oh, Scotty!
Oh!
Blocked it.
Deflection.
Dead.
Okay.
Dead.
This game's hard. You threw away the window.
Arachnobatics.
This game's hard, bro. I don't know what I'm doing. Chad, no! What's happening?
That shit. Ah! Oh, it's a shotgun.
Come here, bitch.
Oh! Way to go, Scott. Damn it, Scotty! Come on!
Again. This game is hard as fuck, dude. The physics are so hard to get used to.
Oh!
Bro, you got purple goop everywhere, dude. Oh, shit!
He got Thanos snapped.
It's more of a Death Star beam.
Yeah.
Holy fuck! Do you have a gun? I don't even know.
Oh, he ran into it.
It launched him
You launched
straight
yourself
through
right
the
into that
blade.
shit. Hammer time. Oh, I want a hammer. Oh, there is just big hammers.
Yeah, I don't know if you want those.
Big hammer.
Oh, we lost it.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah!
That was
Yes,
There you go, Tyler.
Go me and Marcel.
Oh!
cool. Nice shot.
You fucking stole my shit, bro.
You got laser beams, bro.
Hide. No, Tyler. And Scotty threw his point away again.
Myself, dude.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah. There you go, Tyler.
Yeah, I win.
This motherfucker is the coolest Jedi move I've ever seen.
Coolest Jedi movie you've ever seen, followed by
The
That.
most pathetic Jedi move.
he's like, dude, I'm so cool. Ah!
Turn me up.
Followed by the worst Jedi move ever.
Damn it.
Oh my god! Fuck!
Oh,
Holy hell.
Oh my god, that was epic. This guy's cool. This guy fucks.
barely made it past the sword.
Oh my god.
Bomb. Oh.
I'm alive. Who wants a piece? Oh, you're all dead.
That's an idea I wish they had to put in the Star Wars movies at some point, which is like light speeders.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh my Christ in heaven!
Uh-oh.
Need a weapon.
I need a weapon.
Okay. Easy
Just say, so much for an epic fight to the death, huh?
dubs. Today's video is sponsored by
Oh,
the amazing
you're approaching
Factor
me?
Meal.
Oh, you didn't make it.
Link down below or the QR code on screen. You can go to go.factor75.com and use code POGWildcatOct50
Oh,
for 50%
Tyler.
off. Thank you to Factor for
I
sponsoring.
definitely
Let's
won't
back
be
to the video.
using that code.
If it were just Wildcat Oct 50, that'd be something, but you had to throw in the pog.
Marcel? Marcel? Don't panic, Marcel.
Wow!
That was clean!
That was so
I
good.
know, I just jumped towards the corner and shot and it worked.
Holy shit! Tyler is gone.
I held on to the knees the whole time. What do I do?
Over there, Tyler. He's coming. He's sorry.
He threw it.
Use the force. Say it! Say it! Oh,
You stupid motherfucker.
Stupid motherfucker.
Tyler, kill me! I don't even know.
Yeah, I started spamming nades at you. Come close to me, bitch. See what happens. See what happens.
Oh my god!
I'm in the sky. Coming down.
That would have been sick.
Ugh.
Oh my
Whoa! Marcel
Miles
escaped.
Morales, what do you expect?
He killed himself.
What's that on the side of your head? Is it a spider? Get it off. We are spiders.
Oh. Is it a even smaller spider? Get it off. Dead.
Activate grenade.
So look for that. Oh, everyone dies. Literally less than 5 seconds.
Yep.
So fast. I'm still feet.
Ooh.
I was only watching Marcel. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
You're not fine.
Singe.
No.
He's not fine.
Hey, you put that grenade down.
Oh god, he's horny.
And he's dead.
Okay.
Hey,
Let's
all
rise again
right.
Quickly. I'm doing something cool this time.
That was super cool there, Tyler. Ooh.
Oh, that was sick.
Oh.
Oh, he snaps that shit. Oh,
Oh, how did? Oh.
Catch that motherfucker.
That was sick. Smash.
Smash.
Smash. Oh! Deflection.
Yep. That was a Jedi deflection.
Yes. That was God
Killed
tier.
him with his own blaster
I was like,
bolt.
oh, I just fucked him. Alright.
No way. Oh!
What happened
Damn
there?
it, dude. I flew right into that fucking saber, bro.
Guys,
Oh,
wait,
Scotty
I got-
won.
I got a mythic hat. Alright?
A few moments later.
Laser beam.
The mythic hat's just a dunce cat.
Yeah. Or it's a traffic
Sabers
code.
at me, dude. Holy fuck, I was dodging him for a second.
Oh no, no. Marcel's is actually a turban. It's like a turban with the scepter, or with, the,
okay,
with like
see ya.
the diamond in the middle, whereas Tyler's is literally the traffic cone. Caution, danger ahead.
Oh, so if he's a spider and he's swinging by a
Lightsaber. I try to get away.
by a thread of silk, does that make him the Sultan of Swing?
Yes, I believe it does.
Sorry, that was a
Oh,
I fucking just dove at you.
sticky bomb.
stupid. Don't go towards the sticky bomb you just threw.
What is that doing?
Proximity.
Waiting for someone to get near it.
There's no way.
Marcel?
dude.
Marcel?
Ooh! Oh, Tyler.
That's when I expect someone to just pull the Indiana Jones. Just,
Saber instantly. That's a portal?
Shooting the swordsman.
yeah. It's like,
Oh.
Scotty, that's a portal, dude.
Bye, Marcel.
Scotty!
Scotty!
Come on.
No victory for you, push boy.
All you had to do was stand there.
Go!
Tyler.
Tyler.
I like the laser saw blade launcher.
Yes,
One
I
of my
do
favorite
too.
weapon.
No, Tyler, you had it.
Bro, what?
Damn. Tyler! Come the fuck
It would
on!
have been fine if you had just stopped shooting.
He's just like, boom, 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 boom. No!
Honestly, that felt fair. That felt fair. I had my fun. Just the two of us.
He's got a laser gun.
Do it.
Just hit it back at him.
Shoot, bitch. You must move. Yes.
So much for that genius idea.
Oh, I know this one's very good.
Oh, shit!
I threw a grenade a long
That
time
was
ago.
very powerful.
Motherfucker sent me in there.
Oh, shit.
What you gonna do with that?
Chuck it. Tyler.
Call it a draw.
Everyone dead.
What all you can do with that in a small arena.
You got a bomb.
Other than just blow everyone up.
You go long. Come on.
Oh, God. Oh, well, I lost. Unless you guys draw. Yeah, oh, no.
Scotty wins again.
I don't know. I thought I was dead for sure.
Hey, why aren't you
Hey there.
subscribed? It's free.
Hey,
Come
Tyler.
on,
I am.
videos Anyway. Go
Tyler.
subscribe.
Tyler, do you see that? Not only am I subscribed, I got the bell notifications on.
I'm
Also,
subscribed on my account.
there's a like for you, dude. I'm liking the video so far. Want to see more Spider Hack?
Like the video as well while you're at it. Okay, back in the video.
Oh my god. What the fuck are you doing, boy?
Rocket. Yeah! Tyler!
No, you cannot in fact rocket jump in Spider-Hack.
Patience is the problem.
How did I kill you? Oh!
Bomb.
Yes, my son.
I'm coming for you. Oh, yes. Give me that. Give it. Yeah, try to kill yourself. Oh, shit. Keep myself close.
Ooh!
There you go. Yeah!
I do not know how he
Oh
managed
my
to survive
Christ in
that.
heaven,
I
this
don't
is-
either.
Wait, come here. Get some of this thicky, thick boy.
I'm good.
You're gonna get some of this thicky, thick boy.
Oh! Oh!
So
Wrecked.
big. It's just so massive.
I'm gonna take.
was so
Yeah, yeah. He gonna chase you down with that big old sword of his. He gonna penetrate you deep with that.
Yeah. God, dude, it's so big. It's just so massive.
It was so
did a lot.
girthy, dude.
Just so big. I couldn't take the whole
Enormous.
thing.
Hey man, take it like a
Uh-oh.
champ.
Dick jokes.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, that was close.
I'm not alive.
Damn it!
That did not work. I got caught between two nukes.
Boom, baby.
Alrighty, I thought I was just lucky that one, but I guess not.
That was sick.
Nothing can penetrate these blades.
Okay, buddy. Oh, I'm chopped liver. I'm nothing. He's spinning him. Look at him.
He's Darth Maul.
I'm dead. Please,
Darth Marcel.
He's got the girthy one. Marcel won with the non-girthy one last time.
Use the pulse.
Ah!
I win one.
Damn it. Run it back. There it is. There it is. There it is. Shwung! Grab that lightsaber. Sing! He's coming in. Oh shit!
No!
Through it.
He just dove at you.
That track. Girthy. Nope. The girth didn't matter. Uh-oh.
Bye, Marcel.
Ooh. It's like a Smash Bros. Launch.
You got banished to the Shadow Realm.
So it is a duel.
Darkseid has corrupted you, Scotty.
What are you gonna fucking do about it?
Nothing. He's gonna jump into it and die.
Bob different in my head.
Oh! Just got thunked by the hammer. Oh, come on! Oh, he still got the point. Okay.
Alright.
Wait,
I'm getting fucking worked this time. Oh. I nuked the wall. I feel like I get the shittiest spawns this time.
Yep.
Why?
Hey, Scott.
You shot my grenade.
Hallelujah. He's got a nuke.
Yeet. Damn it!
No getting away from that one.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Guy's gonna win.
Sorry, it's not my
What else is new? Tyler.
It's a good comeback season start.
Yep. Nope.
He just smashed you.
Yeah, you just kind of just smeared him on the ground with it.
Yeah, he's just like Bob Ross right here. He's like, and now we're gonna paint us a nice red base here on this platform. Yep, we're just gonna dash it.
That's a lovely little splotch of blood right there.
Yeah, we're just gonna dash it a few times and really spread it around and give it a good base. Then we're gonna have ourselves a nice little severed spider leg right here. That'll be our little secret. And if you tell anybody about that, I will find where you live,
And I'll smear you on the wall.
and I will smear you so fast that your mama won't even remember that you were born. Anyway, back to the paint.
We'll see what kind of shades of red we can get out of the inside of you.
Yeah.
He smashed you like a spider, bro. He fucking squished your ass. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, that spanky thumbnail.
I know, right?
That's horrifying.
Yeah. All of them got the donk.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus.
I could have done without seeing that for the rest of my life, but
Sadly,
unfortunately, it
though,
just happened.
Sadly, though, unfortunately, you had to tolerate it just like I did.
Yeah, I want to play Spider Heck so bad, man.
Yeah.
Just it looks like stupid amounts of fun.
Yeah, it does. Honestly, given everything that I've seen in it, everything that I've experienced so far, just from watching these videos, it's like, damn.
This is like Stick Fight on steroids, and Stick Fight's already tons of fun.
Yes, stick fight is just go. You just go and you have fun.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
And Spotter Hex just like that, plus swinging physics and just the weight of the weapons and stuff.
Yeah. And like
Chef's
truly
kiss.
3D platforming, like true 3D platforming with like more crazy weapons and stuff like that. I love it.
I like the whole concept of it.
I do too.
Pretty great.
So, all right, I think that's gonna do it. So, if you want to see more from Mr. Wildcat, aka Tyler, aka Big Piggy Boy, feel free to click his name in the title of the video. And if you want to see more from us, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. And I guess until next time, I'm Nate.
I am Nick.
Y'all be good people. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.